Welcome to AlgoArt AI Euro 2024. Today's match is between Netherlands and Poland. It's their first match in the tournament, so they would want to avoid a defeat to keep morale high. Netherlands is ranked higher than Poland, but as we've seen in this tournament, surprises can happen. The match is about to start. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. And we have our first goal. A quick goal from Netherlands, straight from the whistle. "1-0 for Netherlands. Player hugging close to the ball. And Netherlands have scored a second goal. An opening from the defender, sneaking the ball in between the two defenders. 2-0 for Netherlands. Oh, and they have scored the third one. Again, same thing, in between the two defenders. "3-0 for Netherlands. Oh, and Poland has pulled one back. Nice play by the striker, avoiding all the Netherlands players and getting into goal. 3-1 for Netherlands. And they have scored another one onto the side of the goal. It looks like the defender tried to stop it, but it was too late. 4-1 for Netherlands. Oh, and a nice dribbling from the striker, avoiding all the defenders and slotting the ball into goal. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Netherlands is ranked 8th, and their AI gets to train on 1.85 million games. Poland is 30th, and its AI gets to train on 1.3 million games. Not a huge difference in the AI world, but the scoreline is saying otherwise. We joined the game back at 5-1 for Netherlands. Well, it's 5-2 now. Poland has just scored one. Nice attack from the striker. 5-2 for Netherlands. Poland's attacking. The Netherlands almost scoring there, and it's a loose ball, and the first one to get there was a Netherlands striker, and he slotted it in. 6-2 for Netherlands, and Netherlands almost scoring there, but good Poland defending cleared the ball. Well, empty goal, undefended goal again from Poland, and the Netherlands striker had just to slot it in. And it's 7-2 for Netherlands. Nice defending. Oh, another nice defending, clearing from the goal line. Oh, this time it was bad defending. A terrible own goal. An unfortunate mistake. 7-3 for Netherlands. Oh, another unfortunate mistake, almost exactly like the previous one. It's 7-4 for Netherlands. Oh, a nice shot from Poland, bouncing off 3 walls before going into goal. Amazing. 7-5 for Netherlands. Oh, and it's another quick goal from Poland. Another one bouncing off the wall and getting into goal. 7-6 for Netherlands. Oh my, another quick goal from Poland. From 7-2 to 7-all, Netherlands is collapsing. 7-all. And another collapse from Netherlands and another quick goal from Poland. It's now 8-7 for Poland. And another goal from Poland. Looks too easy. Has Netherlands gone home? Well, it's now match point for Poland. Can Netherlands come back from this? And looks like they are. They've scored one back. Nice dribbling them from the striker, waiting for the gap and shooting it into the goal. It's now 9-8 for Poland. A loose ball. Oh, Poland got there first and scored the goal. Well, the Netherlands defender got there, but he couldn't stop the Polish striker. Well, what a comeback from Poland. Netherlands was dominating at first, but at 7-2, they completely collapsed. And Poland scored 8 points in succession and won the game at 10-8. And this is how the table of Group D looks like. Netherlands and France at the bottom, Austria and Poland on top. This is a total surprise to me, and I'm still rubbing my eyes looking at this. And for all the fans out there, was this a surprise to you as well? Help me make sense of this. Please comment on the table below. Coming up next, France versus Poland. Subscribe to see whether France will stay in this tournament or not.